What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. So, y'all, I got this wig and I want to dye ash blonde. So, we're going to do it the light ash blonde and the dark light. The ash blonde and dark and the ash blonde and light. And it's both of them by Revlon. And I want to do some little cute little tips, the little blue, little hidden blue here and there. And we're gonna use that what the heck? The Adora. Yep, we're gonna use this sweet mint. I just want a little bit. So now I'm gonna just take these two Revlons. I mean, the instructions in the box. It's self-explanatory, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. You're gonna mix all the developers with the color. Then you gonna slap it on the hair. And the longer you leave it, the darker it get. So you do it to your liking. Do it to your liking, honey. But like I said, the longer you leave it on there, the darker it'll get. So I just left mine on for a good maybe 5 minutes. As soon as I put it on, rubbed it through there real good, I took it and rinsed it out real good, y'all.
Alright.
And I know y'all like, dang, Simone, every time you recording, it's always somebody in your background. Guess what? I got a husband and six kids. It's always going to be somebody in my background.
We still love you, boss lady.
So, yeah, and if y'all want to see my family, y'all got to go over to the H Gang.
Gang.
And subscribe to our channel, H Gang. That's what my family channel. You'll see us up in person. And
coolest dad of the world and the coolest mom
God.
and the coolest kid.
Okay, well, this is Boss Lady channel.
I'm charging you for a feature though.
Well, this one should be free because I didn't ask you to get on here.
For free on GP. That's me.
Well, let me get back into this tutorial. Like I said, if y'all want to know more about my family and me, go over to the H Gang and subscribe to our channel. But till then, this is Boss Lady channel, and I'm trying to get into this hair tutorial. So now that I got the dye all through there, I'm going to take it to the sink and rinse it, and wash it. I'm not gonna use shampoo. All I used was conditioner. And then I used the conditioner packs the packs that came with the little dye kit. That's what I did, see. And I took them, opened both of them together, and I, rubbed both of them on the hair. And I let it sit for about 2 minutes, like the pack say. And then I re-rinsed it. So now that I let it sit for 2 minutes, I'm going to take it to I'm going to do the watercoloring method with the Adora rinse, dye, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to stick it in this bowl and get a couple of little blue mint, sweet mint streaks here and there. And I'm just going to do the watercolor method and see how it turned out. This is my first time doing the watercolor method, y'all. Bear with me. I ain't even measure it. Don't get under these comments. I'm like, how much? Girl, just pour until you like it. Like I said, when it comes to dyeing, honey, you never know. You never know. Then I got my stocking cap. My got to be glue. I just let my wig dry overnight, y'all. I ain't blow dry it out. I just let it dry it overnight. And what you see me doing is I'm taking my got to be glue gel and I'm putting it on the front of my edges, because baby, I got the 4C edges and I don't want nothing to curl up out this wig. And now I'm blow drying it a little bit dry, whatever, so I can put the stocking cap on top and do the same thing over on top of this. Put the got to be glue gel on top of the stocking cap. You gonna see me. See, I'm putting on the stocking cap. Then I'm gonna be putting the got to be glue gel on top, and the got to be glue spray as well. And then I'm gonna let that dry. Once I let that harden and dry, then I'm going to be taking my foundation color and putting it on my wig. and then I'm gonna cut it. But let me cut my ears out. Let me get them little tiny ears.